Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to make changing subject of the formula. For you to solve changing subject of the formula, you have to consider what is asked to make the subject. That is, in this question they asked to make P the subject, also R, also T. And don't forget, this is the simple increase, and we can make phi, we can call phi as the principal. Here is the rate and here is the time. And firstly, we are making P the subject. Now I is the subject of the formula. I is equals to phi PRT all over 100. Then when making P the subject of the formula, we are going to do cross multiply, in the sense that we are going to have PRT multiplied by 1, assuming this is over 1. We are going to have phi PRT is equals to 100i. That is, now we are looking for P. Since we are looking for P, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of phi. Therefore, we are dividing both sides by P by RP by RT, here by RT, where we can have our P is equals to, this PRT can cancel RT. P is equals to 100i all over RT. Now we make P the subject of the formula. In the next case, we are looking for R. To make R the subject of the formula, we can only take this step. Since we are looking for R, we are looking for R. Since we have P, PRT, PRT, we are looking for R, isn't it? Then 100i. Then since we are looking for R, then we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of R, which is RT. Let's divide both sides by PT. Here by PT. Here we can have our R is equals to 100i all over PT. Now we make P, we make R, remain T. Then when to make T, you can just take this one step. You have T, you have P, R, you are looking for T. We have 100i all over 100i. Then divide both sides by the coefficient of PR. Here PR. Then PR cancel PR, remain only T. Therefore, T is equals to 100i all over PR. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Bye bye.